Now coming to the exponent form. In exponent form, first one is the root over a. Root over a means 2 root a to the power 1 by 2. So 3 root a is equal to a to the power 1 by 3. And root a is equal to a to the power 1 by n. A to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. A to the power m by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. A to the power m whole power n is equal to a to the power m into n. If a to the power m b to the power m is equal to a to the a into b whole power m. A to the power 0 is equal to 1. A to the power minus n is equal to a to the power 1 by n. 1 by a to the power n, or 1 by a whole power n. A to the power m by n and root over a to the power m. We can write.